Believers Radio. Believers Radio. Hey yo, welcome back again to Believers Records, the show where we drop a hit every 4 times of the week. So guys, in today's video, I'll be walking you through this UK drill drum kit. You know, man, crazy sounds, man. We always got you as far as high quality and amazing sounds is concerned. So before we actually go further, I would like to give you that daily reminder. If you're new here, kindly subscribe to the channel. It surely does help us a lot. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time I drop you some heat. And also, if you like what I'm serving you on that plate, please just go ahead and hit the like button as well. And also, man, if you like what man is doing out here, you can go ahead and do what? Yeah, go ahead and do that on Instagram. So yeah, man, so without wasting any more time, let's go ahead and jump straight into this. So there's a lot of sounds in here. There's 808s, there's claps, there's hi-hats, there's kicks, there's midis, there's percussions, and there's snares. You know, everything to get you started in making that, everything that you need to get you started in making that crazy drill drum kit. Drill beat, not drum kit. Sorry for that. So yeah, without wasting any more time, let's go ahead and start off first with the midis as usual. So I'm gonna load up the first midi. Yep, yeah. So I'll be using this Power Grand piano by Nixus. It's crazy, I like it. So let's go ahead and do that. So I'm gonna go ahead and play the first midi, which is here. Alright, let's go ahead and do that. Second MIDI. Third MIDI. Fourth MIDI. So yeah, that's it for the MIDI. So let's go ahead and jump straight to the 808s, then to the drums in that order. So claps, hi-hats, kicks, alright, percussion, alright, snares, yeah, man, that's it for the drum kit, man. That's it for the sauce. That's it for everything. So you have everything that you need here to get you started in making crazy drill beats. Or you can actually go ahead and use it in making trap beats. It doesn't actually matter, as long as it helps you, man. I'm happy. So yeah, man, that's it. Enjoy the drum kit. Make crazy banging beats, and I'ma see you on the next one. Namaste, stay safe, and I'ma see you. Goodbye.